Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to refer Remitly to friend to earn rewards. So if you also want to refer Remitly to friend to earn rewards, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. All you have to do is tap on the rewards option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the rewards interface. Scroll down a bit. You can see invite friends to earn rewards written over here. You can get a $15 discount after your friends send at least $1,000 on their first transfer. Your referred friends will get a special exchange rate and $15 off their first transfer when they send $1,000 or more. You can earn rewards for up to 20 successful referrals. So every time you invite friend, you can get $15 discount. So all you have to do is tap on the invite now option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the referral link over here. You can share the link through WhatsApp, email, messages. You can also share the QR code if you want. All you have to do is tap on QR code. Now here you'll be able to see the QR code. Your friends can scan this QR code. After that they'll be able to join Remitly. You can also copy the link if you want. Simply tap on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now open any platform of your choice. In my case, I'm going to open Instagram. Now open the chat of the person to whom you want to send the link. Tap on the message box. Now simply send the link. Tap on the send icon. Now whenever they will tap on this link, they'll be able to join the Remitly. So that is how you refer Remitly to friend to earn rewards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.